Okay, so let's continue the part 2 of our discussion regarding mathematics of investment on the topic compound interest. Okay? So our next topic is all about the interest rate. So when we say interest rate, the interest rate can be determined given the final amount F, present value P, conversion period M, and the total number of periods N by using the following formula. So you can have R equals N root of F over P minus 1 times M times 100%, wherein R is derived from the formula F equals P 1 plus I raised to N, and I equals R over M. So again, when we say interest rate, this is the formula that we're going to use. R equals N root of F minus over P minus 1 times the given period times 100%. In this case, you can directly substitute the given on your calculator, or you can solve it first by dividing F minus P and then getting the N root, and then subtract it by 1, and then the answer is multiplied by M and then multiplied by 100%. Okay? So that is how to find the interest rate. Again, N root of F over P minus 1 times M times 100%. Okay? So that is the formula for the interest rate. Okay, let's have an example. Find the rate compounded semi-annually if 9,000 accumulates to 15,500 in 4 years and 6 months. So we have the following given. Principal is 9,000. M is equal to 2 because semi-annually. Final amount is 15,500. And then the N is T times M. That is 4.5 times 2. That is equal to 9. So let's go for the solution. So the required is the rate. Again, we have the formula. N root of F minus P, F divided P minus 1 times M times 100%. So we just have your substitution. F is 15,500. P is 9,000. So you divide it first. 15,500 divided by 9,000, and then get the N root. So N is equal to 9. So therefore, that will be 9 root of 15,500 divided by 9,000 equals, and then minus 1 equals, times 2 equals, times 100 equals. That is equal to 12.45. You can check on your calculator. So thus, the rate compounded semi-annually is equal to 12.45. Again, you can directly substitute the given on your calculator. So you can check on your calculator. Again, 9 root of 15,500 divided by 9,000 minus 1 times 2 times 100%. That is equal to 12.45. Okay? So let's have another example. At what rate compounded quarterly will 15,000 accumulate to 20,000 in 4 years and 6 months? At what rate compounded quarterly will 15,000 accumulate to 20,000 in 4 years and 6 months? So at what rate? So given, we have P is 15,000 compounded quarterly, so M is equal to 4. Final amount is 20,000. So determine the N, T times M, that is 4.5 times 4, that is equal to 18. So for the required computation, so again, you are required to get the rate. Again, the formula, N root of F over P minus 1 times M times 100. So what we're going to do is just substitute the given. So N is equal to 18. So 18 root of 20,000 divided by 15,000 minus 1 times 4 times 100, and that is equal to 6.44%. So you can check it on your own calculator. Again, you have 18 root of 20,000 divided 15,000 equals minus 1 equals times 4 equals times 100 equals. And that is equivalent to 6.44. So therefore, the rate compounded quarterly is 6.44%. Okay, just follow the formula. N root of F over P minus 1 times M times 100. Okay? How about for finding the T or the time? Time, denoted by T, can be computed using logarithms. If rate, the R, amount, F, and present value, P, of the investment are given, the following formula will be used. So, in finding the T, the given is the rate, the amount, and the present value. And you were going to use the following formula. Okay, so T equals logarithm of F over P all over M times logarithm of 1 plus I. Okay, so that is the formula. Where T is derived from the formula F equals P times 1 plus I raised to N, and N is equal to T times M. So what we're going to do, you can simplify the numerator, and then simplify the 2. So we'll get first the logarithm of F over P, then equals, then divided by, get first the 1 plus I, then get the logarithm, and then multiply by M. So that is how to solve your time. Okay, again, simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator, and then divide. Okay, so F over P equals then logarithm. Or you can directly substitute it on your respective calculators. Okay, so let's have the following example. Okay, how long will it take 16,000 to amount to 19,200 if the interest rate is 10% compounded semi-annually? Again, how long will it take 16,000 to amount to 19,200 if the interest rate is 10% compounded semi-annually? Okay, so we have the given. Principal is 16,000. R is equal to 10% or 0.10. And we have the final amount of 19,200. Okay? And since it is compounded semi-annually, therefore, M equals 2. And to determine the I, that is equivalent to R over M, that is 0.10 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.05. So we have a complete given. Now we are going to substitute it on the original formula. So the original formula in finding the T is equal to logarithm of F over P all over M times log 1 plus I. Okay, so we substitute the given. So logarithm F over P. So that will be logarithm 19,200 divided by 16,000. Okay, all over M is equal to 2. So 2 logarithm 1 plus 0.05. So that is equivalent to 1.868 years, or approximately 1 year and 10 months. Or approximately 1 year and 10 months. Saan galing yung 10 months? So yung labis, yung 0.868. Again, yung labis, 0.868, you're going to multiply it by 12. So that is approximately 10 months. So therefore, your answer will be, it will take 1 year and 10 months to have 19,200. Okay? It will take 1 year and 10 months to have 19,200. Again, so simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator, and then divide it together. Okay? So logarithm of 19,200 times 16,000. So get first. Simplify logarithm 19,200 divided by 16,000. And then simplify also 2 times logarithm 1 plus 0.5 and then divide. So your answer is 1.868. To get the number of months, that is 0.868 times 12. So we have approximately 1 year and 10 months to have 19,200. Okay, so you can check on your calculator if you have your answer, which is equivalent to 1.868 years. Okay? So another one. When will 5,500 accumulate to 10,500 if invested at 15% compounded quarterly? So again, we have the given. Present value, 5,500. The given rate is 15% or 0.15. And the final amount is 10,500. So since it is compounded quarterly, so therefore M is equal to 4. And as we notice, I is equal to R over M, so that is equal to 0.15 divided by 4, that is equivalent to 0.0375. So let's substitute CR's original formula, wherein we have required is T. Therefore, T equals logarithm of F over P all over M log 1 plus I. We substitute the given. So logarithm of 10,500 divided by 5,500 all over 4 times log 1.0375. So let's do the math. Check on your calculator. You have 4.39 years. 4.39 years. So to convert 0.39, to convert the 0.39 into months, so therefore that will be 0.39 times 12, that is equal to 4. So approximately, it would take 4 years and 4 months to accumulate 5,500 to 10,500. So your answer must be 4.39. Okay? To be exact, that will be 4 years and 4 months. So what you're going to do is just substitute the given. Okay? Okay, so that will be the end of your part 2. So take you and keep safe, everyone. So I will be given an exam when all of this discussion ay napaload nyo na. So thank you very much and keep safe, everyone.